How to set up direct deposit for Amazon employees. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to set up direct deposit for Amazon employees. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for sellercentral.amazon.com. Now go ahead and log into your account with correct login credentials. Once logged in, on the Settings tab, select Account Info and under Account Info, select Deposit Methods and further select Assign option. If your deposit method was already set and you want to change it, select Replace Deposit Method. Further, choose Use a new bank account to enter your bank details option. Now go ahead and review the information you entered and submit by tapping on the Set Deposit Method option. And to log into your Amazon Affiliates account, go ahead and log into your Amazon Affiliates account on affiliate-program.amazon.com. Next, go to the account settings option and locate Pay Me by Direct Deposit and then select your country of residence and proceed to follow instructions. Finally, enter your bank details carefully and submit them to confirm. So, this is how you can set up direct deposit for Amazon employees. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.